A new version of the Bible was unveiled today, a Jamaican version. The King James Bible has been translated into Jamaican Patois. The Bible Society of the West Indies believes it'll make the Bible more relevant to the people around the world who speak Jamaican Patois.
Today we read from Matthew 28, 1-10. Now after Sabbath done, early Sunday morning, the first day of the week come. Mary Magdalene and the next Mary go look upon the tomb.
And all of a sudden, one wicked earthquake shake up the place.
Cause one of God's angel them come down from heaven and come roll with the stone and sit down upon it.
Him did look bright like a lightning, and him clothes did white like snow.
The guard them did so frightened.
The Jamaican
them
Patois version
them
of the Bible being read. Matthew
like
28, 1
But
to
the angel
10.
said to the woman them say, "No afraid."
Me know say a Jesus who I look for, the one where them kill upon the cross.
Him not there, cause God make him come back alive, just like what him did say.
Come look which part him did a lay down. Then hurry up and go tell him follower them say him dead and come back alive. Him a go a Galilee till you no come. Uno we see him there when you no reach.
Me tell you no where me did fi tell you no. Listen what me say and do what me say no fi do.
The woman them take off quick. Them frightened and glad same time. And them run go tell Jesus follower them.
But Jesus meet them up and said to them, say, "Heal."
Them come to him, bend on the ground, hold on upon him foot and worship him.
Then Jesus said to them say, "No afraid."
Go and go tell my brother them say them can go to Galilee. Them we see me there.
Them we see me there.
Then we see me there.
Them we see me there.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
We Father way in heaven. Make people have enough respect for you and your name.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. My YouTube channel name is its_Kisaka. So pleased to have you back on this channel. If you are new to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, leave your comment, and also you can share this video out. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always taking your time to come back and watch my videos. Jamaicans have a new translated Bible, and the Bible that they have has been translated into Patois language. This idea was birthed like 30 years ago. Recently, I was watching a movie of Jesus Christ. There's a movie that somebody acted about the New Testament, and it was in Jamaican Patois.
In at the same time that John, Zachariah boy picnic, did they in the desert, I get one message from God.
This video was taken at Spanish Town Tabernacle in Jamaica. They are reading the new version of the Patois New Testament Bible. You know, Patois is the mother tongue of Jamaica.
It's like you watch a little movie, so it's very visual, and it brings some excitement to the Word of God. So no longer you sit down and have to read because you have to read the Word of God, but it's so exciting.
Some Jamaicans believe that when reading the Jamaican Patois Bible, it's exciting, while some are against it.
Patois words can effectively communicate some of what the English words have communicated, and primarily because even words that are present in the Patois that we would want to use to fully explain what is really meant in the original are words that are vulgar.
The language of Patois were developed by slaves from Western Africa who didn't want their slave masters to know what they were saying. It was developed around 400 years ago.
A new version of the Bible was unveiled today, a Jamaican version. The King James Bible has been translated into Jamaican Patois. The Bible Society of the West Indies believes it'll make the Bible more relevant to the people around the world who speak Jamaican Patois.
Voila! Here we have the new translation of the New Testament in Patois language.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
We Father way in heaven. Make people have enough respect for you and your name.
Each page of this Bible has both English and the translation of Patois language.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we forgive our debtors.
Today, give we the food where we need. Pardon we for all the wrong where we do. See them like how we pardon them we do we wrong. It's critical that we translate the Bible into our native language, Jamaican Patois, Jamaican Creole, because the scriptures make their greatest impact on people when they have it in their mother tongue.
Sometimes what I have to do is look at the English and then
then look at the written pattern and then I go, oh, that's how you pronounce it.
It's not the easiest thing in the world to read, and there's a good reason for that. You see, it's an oral language and has been. So for the vast majority of us, it would be quite difficult for us to read because we have never been taught how to read it. So what this translation is going to do is help us to learn to read our own mother tongue.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is interesting. You know, the Bible was first written in Hebrew, Aramaic language and the Greek languages, but it has now been translated into different languages to reach so many people. And this recent move by having the New Testament version in Patois language or Patois language is a good move. According to me, this is my opinion. In the videos you can see there are some who are pro and there are some who are opposing this move. There's a lady that she has said that by having the Jamaican Bible, that is in Patois, it makes reading the Bible so interesting. It makes it live. Over here in Africa, like in my country, we speak Swahili, and the Bible was translated from the King James Version was translated into English language and Swahili language. This makes the people who don't know how to speak English, they can be able to read and understand. But in Jamaica, the case is different because majority of the people speak English. But it's good because there are some people who don't know how to speak English. They can get to learn. Also, in this Bible that was developed, you can see that it has the translation in the same page, so it can also help others to learn more about Patois language. People like here in Africa and who admire to learn Patois language, when they get hold of this Bible, they can be able to see the English version of what the Word of God is saying, and in Patois. That way, they can be able to learn the language easily. This is good. On the other hand, the U.S. President Donald Trump, the U.S. that has been currently elected, he was during before election he spoke about the Bible, and some of these policies. This is what has made Jamaicans living in the United States and other people to vote for him, because they were seeing as his policies are pro God. This is one of the videos that he spoke about the Bible and specifically King James Version. There are some religious or Christians who believe greatly in the King James Version because they believe that it was the perfectly translated version of the Bible. But there are different people with who like different versions of the Bible. At the end of the day, it's the Bible, as long as it has not subtracted anything or added anything unto it. It's a good book. This is one of the best books, and Donald Trump says the same.
I'm proud to be partnering with my very good friend Lee Greenwood, who doesn't love his song God Bless the USA, in connection with promoting the God Bless the USA Bible. This Bible is the King James Version and also includes our Founding Father documents, yes, the Constitution, which I'm fighting for every single day, very hard, to keep Americans protected. Also, the Bill of Rights, the Declaration of Independence, and the Pledge of Allegiance are all part of this God Bless the USA Bible, and it's just very important and very important to me. I want to have a lot of people have it. You have to have it for your heart, for your soul. Many of you have never read them and don't know the liberties and rights you have as Americans and how you are being threatened to lose those rights. It's happening all the time. It's a very sad thing that's going on in our country, but we're going to get it turned around. Religion and Christianity are the biggest things missing from this country, and I truly believe that we need to bring them back, and we have to bring them back fast. I think it's one of the biggest problems we have. That's why our country is going haywire. We've lost religion in our country. All Americans need a Bible in their home, and I have many. It's my favorite book. It's a lot of people's favorite book. This Bible is a reminder that the biggest thing we have to bring back America and to make America great again is our religion. Religion is so important. It's so missing, but it's going to come back, and it's going to come back strong, just like our country is going to come back strong. In the end, we do not answer to bureaucrats in Washington. We answer to God in heaven. Christians are under siege. We must protect content that is pro-God. We love God. and we have to protect anything that is pro-God. We must defend God in the public square and not allow the media or the left-wing groups to silence, censor, or discriminate against us. We have to bring Christianity back into our lives and back into what will be again a great nation. Our founding fathers did a tremendous thing when they built America on Judeo-Christian values. Now that foundation is under attack, perhaps as never before. What can we do? Stand up, speak out, and pray that God will bless America again. I'm proud to endorse and encourage you to get this Bible. We must make America pray again. Pray, get educated, get motivated, and stand with me and the legions of Americans asking God to bless our great nation, to bring our great nation back, and to make America great again. I'm proud to partner with Lee in this offering. He's a very special man, both as a talent, but maybe even more so as a human being. He's very, very special. And I think you all should get a copy of God Bless the USA Bible now and help spread our Christian values with others. There you have it. Let's make America pray again. God bless you, and God bless the USA.
Thank you guys for staying tuned up to this time. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing it out. See you on my next video.